install the newest version and then try it. If it is still not working, then we'll look into it. But
Sure.
it is not anything related to the data. You're doing everything correct. It is related to the settings of your Excel.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So just try to upgrade your version. If it is still not working, then let me know in the next session.
Yeah,
Sure.
correct. So
Thank you.
Flash fill is from 2013 version.
Okay. Then that is the case.
Okay.
90%,
Yeah.
that is the issue. Okay.
Okay.
Any other
Sure.
question?
There's a
Anyone?
validation and all, it worked. The data validation which you said,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
That worked. I
Maybe
did that
that is the issue.
practice.
Maybe I think that is the issue, that
Okay.
version different. Okay.
Fine. Thank you.
Just try it out. Let me know if it works in the next session.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Any other question? Anyone else? Any other doubt? Okay. I hope everyone is filling that form, which is feedback form. If not, just fill it. It will not take more than 2 minutes. It's a very good thing. Whatever you feel regarding the session, if you're feeling something positive, fill it there. If you're facing some negative issues, put it there, so that the organization can be informed that what is happening, and is there any uncomfortable things or is there any comfortable things. So just convey that. Okay. Okay then.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can wrap up. If there is no issues, let's meet on next Saturday at 7 o'clock again. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay then. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for your time and
Bye.
session.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye, everyone.